And we have a little bit of extra information here where we have this merge function, which we are given a running time for, which is O of n plus m, so the length of this list plus the length of this list. So like we did with this function, can anyone identify a few pieces of this function that we know the running times of? Here, I'll identify a few that we can break down. There's this call here to split. We've got two calls to merge sort. And then we have a call to merge. So these are all our sort of non-trivial operations. And so identifying those is the first step to being able to break these down. So the running time for let A be equals split list, well, we know that already because we just solved that. List is length n because that's how we define this relation, right? So T of n equals. So split list, we can just write, we'll write kn, so it's some constant times n. Anyone have any of the others? Just want to call out.
We know merge is O of n plus m.
So, and then we know that
Which means that, yeah.
A and B. So to figure out what this is, we have to know how big these lists are, or well, how big A and B are, I guess, or the result. Either way, the results merge sort doesn't change the length of the list. So, but we know that split splits the list evenly, so we can note that that's n over 2, as is this, n over 2. So yes, O of m plus n is n over 2 plus n over 2 equals kn. Good. And now, yeah, all we've got left are these recursive calls. And so the recursive calls are always going to give us t of something. And well, we already got what figured out what we're going to be putting in here. It's the length of A, which is just n over 2. And there we've identified all the parts. And then all we have to do is add them up. So the kn's stack because k can be any constant. So we can just write that as a single kn. And then we've got t of n over 2 plus t of n over 2. And those don't stack because well, they're, we don't have any sort of generic constant symbol there. So plus 2 t of n over 2. And that's all of our terms. So we can look this up in the table. K of n plus 2 t of n over 2 gives us linear arithmetic. O of n log n.